Close down. Close down.
폐업하다. 운영을 중단하다. 가동을 멈추다.
Hundreds of stores closed down during the recession. Hundreds of stores closed down during the recession. The factory was forced to close down last year. The factory was forced to close down last year. The system automatically closes down at midnight. The system automatically closes down at midnight. They closed down the production line for maintenance. They closed down the production line for maintenance. Close off. Close off.
출입을 막다, 차단하다. 마음을 닫다.
The police closed off the street after the accident. The police closed off the street after the accident. They closed off the area for security reasons. They closed off the area for security reasons. After the breakup, he completely closed himself off. After the breakup, he completely closed himself off. Don't close yourself off from people who care about you. Don't close yourself off from people who care about you. Close up. Close up.
영업을 마치다. 좁아지다.
We usually close up around 9 p.m. We usually close up around 9 p.m. The staff stayed late to close up the store. The staff stayed late to close up the store. The Gap began to close up. The Gap began to close up. Traffic closed up as cars approached the intersection. Traffic closed up as cars approached the intersection. Close in. Close in.
밤이 다가오다. 점점 가까워지다.
The days are closing in now that it is September. The days are closing in now that it is September. I was lost, and night was closing in rapidly. I was lost, and night was closing in rapidly. The police were closing in on the suspect. The police were closing in on the suspect. Darkness was closing in around us. Darkness was closing in around us. Close in on. Close in on.
에 바짝 다가가다. 거의 잡다.
Detectives are closing in on the killer. Detectives are closing in on the killer. We're closing in on our sales target. We're closing in on our sales target. The runner was closing in on the leader. The runner was closing in on the leader. Scientists are closing in on a cure. Scientists are closing in on a cure.